Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie Sibby. If you're new to my channel, just want to say hi. Don't mind the mess I have here. You guys can't really see, but I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. Okay, there we go. So I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to my new welcome. If you're new, hi, hello to my new subscribers. I just want to say hi. If you're new to my channel, I just want to make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and also put your post notifications so that way you'll be notified when I post a new video. I hope you guys are doing good. It's been like 2 weeks since I uploaded a video. Excuse me. Excuse me. There are personal things going on in my life. No, I mean, sorry. There are personal things that are going on in our family. I'm not ready to talk about it, but let me put this up. When I am finally ready to tell you guys, I will. Sorry if my mood is kind of off because there's a lot of things in our family and my personal life that are going on. So if you see me kind of sad or kind of moody or kind of just off, because I'm usually very happy, I just want you guys to know that I'm still here. What I meant to say, I've been going through things. We all have been going through things. This is a very tough time for me and my family, so I'm not going to go full in detail because I don't want to put my family's business out there, so yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention today's video is actually what I eat in a day. I got this subscriber told me to do this video. I'll put her name or her screenshot right here. She told me to do what I eat in a day from Instagram. I do read my DMs. I do read my comments, so if you want me do any kind of video, I can definitely do them. Definitely leave them in the comments down below. So in this video, I'm actually going to tell you guys what I eat in a day. I also have clips for breakfast. It was like 11:30. I will roll the clips, don't worry. I'm just telling you guys. For 11:30, I usually have breakfast around 10 or 11, or sometimes even earlier, especially when my niece has Zoom classes. That's been taking up my whole time because my niece can't go to school right now. Let me turn on that. I hope you guys don't mind, okay? I hope you guys do not mind. It does get hot in this room. So Zoom classes have been taking up my time, so that's why I haven't been filming. I barely have time for myself. So my little nephew just got into school recently, so that's been taking up my time too, since I am, I wouldn't say a tutor, but I am helping my niece with schoolwork, with my mom, with the personal things that are going on. Of course, I'm helping her. I hardly have time for myself or have time to film. I'm always focused on my niece's Zoom classes, her homework. I'm basically a tutor to her, so yeah. That's what's been happening lately in my life, and also the personal thing, which I can't really talk about because it's personal, but when I'm ready, I will talk about it. Anyway, off topic. What I eat for breakfast, I usually eat sometimes 9, 10, or 11. I usually fast. I usually drink this morning juice, which I didn't show you guys. It was just green juice to like flush, you know, your whole body. So I usually eat around 10 or 11. For breakfast, I had eggs. I had hot dog, toast with jelly. That's been my favorite thing to eat. And also, what else I had? I like to add ketchup in my hot dog and my eggs. Not on top of it, but on the side. For lunch, I had cabinet, which is meat, rice, and tortillas. I usually eat beans with that. I usually eat beans with my rice, which is jasmine rice, which you guys will see, of course, clip. And then for dinner, my stepdad made this really good bomb chicken soup, which I had. It had chicken, of course, a whole lot of vegetables. You guys probably don't know, I'm not a picky eater. I eat anything. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. I just want you guys to know that this video is going to be very long. I'm trying to cut it short. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. Sorry, I'm doing like this, but okay. Anyway, I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. So in this clip, as you guys can see, I was having lunch. It was like around 1 or 2, because I did tell you guys I ate at 11. So that's like 2 hours, right? 11, 12, 1, 2. Yeah. I usually eat lunch at 12, around like that time. Or I might skip it and have like a snack, like apples. I've lately been loving kiwis. But as you guys can see right there, I do have rice. White rice, jasmine rice, of course. I have carne right there, which is some kind of meat. And I also have tortillas. I sometimes have beans. With my rice, but we didn't have any, so I like to eat pretty normal. Oh, I was talking to my dad in this clip, as you guys can see. Yeah, I was just enjoying time with family, and I told you guys that I have a couple personal things going on. So I'm so sorry for not filming, but I hope you guys do enjoy this fast clip of me eating. And yeah, I usually don't like to have my phone with me when I'm eating, but as you guys can see, I'm clearly recording on my phone. So enjoy this clip.
I also drink water. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to do laundry, as you can see right there. Excuse me. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I'll let you guys know when I eat for dinner. We are going somewhere, so this might be a vlog or what I eat in a day. So yes, I'm actually, I just got done recording what I ate for lunch, as I'll insert a picture here. So yeah, I'm just gonna do laundry, you know, probably go on YouTube, watch a couple videos, and that's it. So I hope you guys do stay tuned for what I eat in a day. That's the title of today's video, and also what I eat for dinner. And I think that's it. I might have a little bit of dessert, but I think that's it. So I'll see you guys, and again, I'll see you guys again at dinner time.
Shake it, baby. Kick. Shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Hey everyone, you guys made it to the end of the video. I just did the intro. I'm not gonna show you guys too much of my mess right here because I just got done folding clothes, and then I have my MacBook over here, which I'm just watching YouTube videos, replying to comments, watching other people's videos. So yes, just catching up. So this is the end of the
this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys do enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so sorry if the video is very long. I will try to cut it short. Definitely let me know down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see down below. Talk to me in the comments. I love talking to you guys. And welcome to my new subscribers to my channel. I hope you guys do enjoy my videos. I do cooking, I do fashion, I do vlogs maybe here and there. I do story times. My life is not that entertaining anyway. But yeah, I hope you guys do subscribe to my channel, which I'll leave the link down below. The subscribe button, and yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.